In this crochet cord pattern, you will know how to make a crochet curled cord. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the foundation chain. Then 2 treble crochet into the first chain stitch. Yarn over twice to work with first treble crochet. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1, 2. Then yarn over twice to work with the second treble crochet. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1, 2. Make double treble into the same chain stitch. Yarn over 3 times to work with double treble. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. We have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. We have just made the cluster or a bubble. It will be the base of the curl. We stop here, and now I show you the direction in the work. Firstly, we will work on this side, then on this side. After that I will continue working with the second treble crochet and the first treble crochet. So I will work by spiral. Let's begin to make the first element of the cord. Make 7 single crochet into the double treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Turn the work. Make 7 single crochet into the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Continue 5 single crochet into this stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work and make 5 single crochet more into the opposite stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop and look at work. The first row is done. Here is our curl. Now I'm crocheting in backwards direction. Continue. Make a chain. Begin from the first stitch. Make 5 single crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then single crochet into each of next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stop and show you the central of the element. Here how it looks. Continue. Continue the work. 3 single crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 single crochet increase. Make the first one through the next stitch and the second into the same stitch. Single crochet and half double crochet increase. Make single crochet through the next stitch and half double crochet into the same stitch. Then half double crochet through the next stitch, half double crochet and double crochet increase. Make half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. Continue the work. Make 2 double crochet increase. So make double crochet through the next stitch and make the second double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat again 2 double crochet through the next stitch. Then treble crochet and double crochet increase. Make double crochet through the next stitch and make treble crochet into the same stitch. 2 treble crochet into the next stitch. Make the first one and make the second one into the same stitch. Make treble crochet and double treble increase. So make treble crochet through the next stitch and double treble into the same stitch. We need to do 2 double treble crochet into each of next 2 stitches. Make the first time and make the second time into the next stitch. Make the first double treble and make the second double treble. I will be making 2 triple treble into the top of the cluster. Here is it, and make 2 triple treble increase into this stitch. Yarn over 4 times to work with first triple treble and make the first triple treble into the top stitch and make the second one. The curl is made. Turn the work to the front side. We have got a beautiful curl element. As you can see, this is a big curl of the cord. This is back side. It can be the base for a necklace, a bracelet, an earring, or other accessories. And we continue the work. We are working on the front side of the element. And now we make the base for the small curl. The base for the small one will make the same as the previous time. To begin the work, make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will work with this stitch make 2 treble crochet into this stitch, make the first one, and make the second one, and now make double treble into the same stitch, yarn over 3 times, and make double treble, not finish. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. The base is ready. It will be the base for the small curl. Now I'm working on this side. Make 7 single crochet into the double treble. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work, make 7 single crochet into the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn the work and 5 single crochet into the treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn the work, and we have the last one, and make 5 single crochet into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop and look what we have now. Here how it looks at this point. I remind you, we are making the small curl. Now turn the work, and I will crocheting in backwards direction. Begin from the first stitch, 5 single crochet in a row. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Continue. Make 5 single crochet more in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then single crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then make 2 single crochet increase, 1, and make the second one into the same stitch. Then just single crochet through the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1, and the second one. Then just single crochet. Continue the work. Make 2 single crochet increase, make the first one through the next stitch and the second one into the same stitch. Then just single crochet, then 2 single crochet through the next stitch, 1 and 2. Then just single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet increase, 1 and 2. Then just single crochet into the next stitch, then half double crochet and double crochet increase. Make half double crochet through the next stitch and double crochet into the same stitch. As you can see, the stitches of the previous row finished, and now treble crochet and double treble and triple treble into the top of the cluster. Make treble crochet into the top of the cluster, then double treble into the same stitch. Yarn over 3 times to work with double treble and make double treble into the same stitch. And triple treble into the same stitch. Yarn over 4 times to work with triple treble and triple treble into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. We stop here and look at the second element of the cord. As you can see, we have done a small curl and a big curl. This is back side. And let's make the base one more time for the next curl. I remind you that the base for the both curls are the same. I alternate with a big curl and a small curl, so the next will be a big curl. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 treble crochet into the triple treble crochet stitch. Make the first treble crochet and make the second treble crochet into the same stitch. And now double treble into the same stitch. I remind you, I make unfinished all stitches in this cluster. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. The cluster is ready. I remind you, it will be the base for the big one. You can make your cord long enough as you need. In this crochet video instruction, you have known how to make a crochet curled cord. I remind you that I alternate with a big curl and a small curl. This is back side and it is front. You can make this cord of small curls or a big curls. Also, you can alternate with small and big curls by your wish. Thanks for watching.